Welcome to the Astronaut Adventure Riders YouTube channel. Today I'm going to go over the tool roll that I carry on my Aprilia Tuareg 660. It is the Mosko Moto pinner tool roll, so it is their smaller offering out of the two that they carry on their website. This is a bike-specific kit, so all the sizes and tools are specific to the Aprilia here, but there are going to be a lot of crossovers and I guess ideas that I use in here that you can also apply to other adventure bikes that you may ride, whether it be a Tenere or a Desert X or V-Strom or whatever it is. There's going to be plenty in this kit here that you can just make your own. So this is not a kit that I bought just off the shelf with everything in it. This is a kit that I put together just with bits and pieces from here and there to make something that works specifically for me and what I use it for. I would classify this as more of a multi-day ride or a daily kit that you keep on the bike. This isn't going to be something that you're using as a long-term kit. So if you are doing weeks and weeks at a time, I would get the bigger tool roll and I would add some more components to it. But for what I use currently, I think this is a pretty good setup. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to dive in and I'll show you what I have in here. I did just want to weigh it really quick because it is a pretty lightweight kit. So we're going to throw it on the kitchen scale here. And we're at 0 ounces right now. We're going to put that on there. And we are at 61.76 ounces. So really light for all the tools that you'll see that are in here. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now this tool roll does have a Velcro closure as well as this kind of rubber strap that goes around it too, so it keeps it nice and secure. So, okay, so now that we have the tool roll opened up here, the first thing that you'll see is just a pair of gloves. I like to keep these on hand in case you need to do some chain maintenance or something on the side of the road or the trail and you don't want to get your riding gloves all dirty, then you have some gloves to do that with. So we'll put those over there. Next thing we'll take a look at here is inside of this little zipper pouch here. The main thing that it holds is going to be the tire repair kit. So this tire repair kit is from Tusk. So it comes with the valve core tool, comes with the cement here, some patches and plugs. Now I carry the patches in case I'm riding with somebody that has tubed tires, and if they have a puncture issue with those, then I can still help them out with that. So we'll put that over here. And the next thing that is in that little mesh pocket here is the components to set up the rolling Mavericks trail jack, which is this piece right here. And this is a pretty nifty piece of kit here made by Rolling Mavericks. I'll do a separate video on this at some point showing how to set it up and how to use it. But it allows you to jack up either the front or rear wheel on the side of the road somewhere so that you can do maintenance work. It makes it handy to do just chain maintenance, cleaning and adjusting and stuff like that, just in the garage and stuff too. So nice bit of kit there, super lightweight. The next component here is going to be an axle nut wrench. Now this is for both the front and rear axle nuts. Now this is a custom made piece by a man named Ivan. He's in the Aprilia Tuareg owners group on Facebook. I'm sure he's on other forums or something too, but I ordered it from him on there and he had this custom made. So this is a 27 millimeter here. The Aprilia does come with a 26 millimeter from the factory for the rear axle nut, but I did switch that to a 27 millimeter. And then the front actually fits a hex head there for the front axle. So a really cool bit of kit there. So we'll put that over here as well. So some other things that I carry in this main compartment here. Zip ties. Always carry zip ties. You never know what's going to happen. So zip ties are good to have. Needle nose vice grips. They always come in handy. These ones are from Harbor Freight, but you can get them for wherever you want. They all work the same. Next, this is going to be a T-handle. This particular one is from Tusk. It's a 1/4-inch drive, and it has the heads on 3 different parts here. So super handy. I only carry this 1/4-inch one because all of the sockets and everything that I carry in this kit are 1/4-inch as well, to help save weight on the kit here. So I'll put that over there for now. And then over here, this little compartment here, this is for the CO2 canisters to fill up the tires if I have an issue with that. And this is a really neat compact tire reamer kit here. This one I got off Amazon. So one side has the plug pull there, and the other side has the little reamer part there. All right. And then the last two components on this side here are going to be a couple wrenches. This is a 10mm, and then this is a 13mm. These are both from a company called Asahi. I don't know if it'll focus there or not, but Asahi tools, so they're super lightweight. Saved, a couple grams over the regular ones. I did just wrap them in duct tape because it's always good to have duct tape on hand. So in this middle part here, and something that I really like about this Mosko kit is that these middle components here, these pouches, they have mesh here, so they breathe really well. So if you're using your tools and it's raining or they're all muddy or something like that, and you put them in there, then they'll be able to at least dry out as they're sitting in the bag and not just get all gross inside there. So pretty cool to have there. So in this center compartment here, I do carry 3 CO2 canisters, again wrapped in duct tape, just to have more duct tape. And it also keeps them from making a bunch of noise as they're clanging around inside of the bag. I do keep a stick of JB Weld here, in case something goes really wrong, then you have that, hopefully never have to use it. Got a cut in half toothbrush here for chain maintenance. And then this is just a mini little metal file, just in case, who knows what happens, but if you do need to file down some metal, get rid of some sharp points, and that is handy to have, and it doesn't weigh anything at all. And some of this stuff is like worst case scenario. Like here I have a metal cutting saw in case I need to cut off something or trim a piece for something for repairs. And then I just do have a millimeter ruler here for chain slack. And that's everything in that middle component here. And then we're kind of moving on to the last section here. This is going to be all of the kind of sockets and Allen keys and stuff like that. So I've got 3 different Allen keys. These ones are mostly for some of the accessories that I have on the bike, mainly the quad lock phone mount setup that I have on there. So just a couple Allen keys. These are, again, going to be bike specific as to what sizes you may need on your bike. And then I do have 2 screwdriver heads as well, both with the 1/4-inch driver to fit with that T-handle there. The reason that I went with these longer ones here is, well, it's bike specific. So to get to the airbox on the Aprilia here, the screws are kind of recessed into the plastic housing for it. And if I went with like a regular length Phillips head one, maybe to like here, it wouldn't reach it. So I got the longer one and it works just great. And then just a flathead driver as well for that. This is to make suspension adjustments on the fly there. Okay, so let's go over the sockets here. Again, these are all 1/4-inch drive, and I did that to save weight because the 3/8 drive sockets just, they do weigh quite a bit more, so I was trying to keep it as light as possible. And this is also specific for the Aprilia Tuareg 660. So just use this kind of same format, but tweak it if you do ride something other than the Aprilia Tuareg. So again, 1/4-inch 6-point sockets here. You have 8, 10, and 13 millimeter on the sizes with those. And then Torx. Again, we've got 3 sizes here for the Torx that you'll need. We got a T20, we have a T25, and we have a T30. So carry those. Okay, and then lastly, we're going to move on to the Allen sockets here. Again, all 1/4-inch drive, and again, specific for the Tuareg here. So I've got a 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter, a 6 millimeter, and an 8 millimeter. All right, so that's everything that I carry in my toolkit here. If there's anything that you guys think I should carry in here that I don't already have, or if maybe there's a unique piece that you carry in your toolkit, just drop it in the comments below. I'd love to see what other people are carrying here. Yeah, other than that, thanks for checking out the video. I hope to have some more out relatively soon. I might do like a bike overview here and show you what I'm running here on the 660. But other than that, thanks so much for checking out the video. See you soon.